All right, guys, entering a gold long position right now. I do like it from where it is at 30.30. I'm going to go ahead and place my stops right below the low and looking to ride this higher. If we break and close above these highs, let me add that in. If we break and close above these highs, I will be trailing the stop loss and adding another position to the trade. Gold's trying to push there. So just to say again, if we have a candlestick closure above 33.33, I'm going to be adding to the trade. Excuse me. Gold nicely pushing there. Beautifully on the run. Looking for a break of that 30.33 level, and we'll add to the trade. Gold pushing there. So a nice little closure there on the 5 minute with the tweezer bottom, bullish engulfing these 3, 4, 5, 6 candles over here. So showing that buying power coming back in. This is pre-London right now. It is only 8 a.m. So I'm looking for this continuation there on gold. I'll begin to trail my stop. Once we close above 30.33, then I'm going to add to the trade. So gold pushing there. If we close above 30.33, then I will be adding to the trade. And price is looking good there. There we go, 30.33, $1,100 profit there. If we have a closure above this price point, then I'm going to be adding to the trade. Price on the move there. $1,500 now. So this for me is a pre-London trade, where before the London session I want to try and get in on that volume, as I've noticed a specific pattern on gold pre-London, so I like to take advantage of that every day. If I have a closure there, we've closed on the 1, I'll wait for the 5 minute to close, and we'll add to the trade. So 1,600 in profit there, waiting for the 5 minute candlestick closure above this price point, and we'll go ahead and add straight away for another position. If it closes. So 1 more minute there. If we close above 33.33, then I will be adding to the trade. Let's have a look. Looks like it's rejecting. Come on, gold. Sometimes in trading, you got to be realistic. I know people will think that they want loads of money all the time in every single trade and they want it quick, but realistically, there we go, 5 minute closure. I'm up like $1,300 right now, and it is just 5 minutes past 8 in the morning. So again, you can't be greedy, can't chase. This can still go against me at any moment. So I need to manage my risk. I need to trail my risk carefully. Actually trail to these lows right now. And yeah, you got to remind yourself that, let's put the stop there as well. You got to remind yourself that anything can happen at any given time in the market. So you want to manage your risk always. So the next sort of target for me is definitely going to be this 30.39 area. Let's add a level in there. 30.39. This has been respected, as you can see over here, many times before. So I'm looking for that to get respected again. So I'll be looking to ride that back up. 30 39 is then the target for these positions. A bit of a retest there of 30.33, which again is not a problem at all. I do expect this to just retest, or maybe retest these highs of the year before actually having that continuation. But I'm going to be quite aggressive on the trailing. So if we do, you know, see the likes of 30, 35, 36, I may even lock in some partials and just trail the risk up as it goes. So gold pushing there, $1,000, $2,000 there in profit right now. As I mentioned, I may manage the risk at around 30, 35, lock in some partials. What I'm going to now do is start trailing the risk. So we have one position at break even there. So I only have one trade exposed, and I will look to lock in partials very, very soon. So 33, 35. May look to take some partials on that one. Gold trying to push there. 33, 35, 60 perhaps. This number you can see over here. I may lock in some partials over there. So gold rejecting there on the 5 minute on 33.33. I will need a move above that to actually take partial, so nothing's changed at all. Just to the side. One of the benefits of having one of those, I think this is 49-inch curve. I can have multiple things going on at the same time. So it allows the market to do what it's got to do. So gold currently pulling back. Obviously not great because I have both stops there. So technically I only have one position at risk. The other one is at break even. So it's not looking good there. Big wick rejection. Yeah, it seems like it's going to stop us out there. Not good. Yeah. Well, I'm glad I managed the positions, both positions out there. I'm glad I managed them. Took a bit of a hit on that one, but see you in the next video. Peace.